Long-running AI coding work rarely fails because the model cannot write code. It fails because scope drifts, evidence gets separated from the artifact it proves, retries duplicate side effects, and nobody can say. LoopSkill turns those fragile, long-running codex tasks into durable, reviewable workflows. It starts with an intake gate. Small tasks stay small. Underspecified requests pause for clarification. Only work that actually needs orchestration becomes a validated controller pack. Here is a real generator run from the public repository. The example input passes every required field and semantic invariant. Full mode then produces a 2,627-line adaptive controller pack. The generated contract explicitly contains the finalization acknowledgement gate and reports a 12 out of 12 integrity score. This proves the deterministic generator and contract. Runtime conformance still requires a real Codex app run. That pack defines explicit roles for the controller, worker, reviewer, state writer, and local verifier. It also sets permissions, budgets, retry limits, evidence requirements, and stop conditions before execution begins. Here is the call workflow. A request passes through intake, human confirmation, execution, review, and verification. Failed checks can enter bounded repair, but the loop cannot retry forever. Completion is not a confident message. It is a canonical, verifiable state. Finalization. Act. LoopSkill keeps review evidence bound to the exact artifact and dispatch that produced it. Old reports cannot approve a new result. Durable receipts make replay idempotent, and unsupported recovery paths fail closed instead of inventing state. During OpenAI Build Week, Codex and GPT-5.6 were the primary engineering environment for implementation, incident analysis, tests, documentation, review, and release hardening. We added bilingual onboarding, an evolvable project specification and validator, sharded compatibility CI, typed MCP runtime payloads, historical state repair protections, and stricter release identity checks. The result is a practical skill for people who need Codex to work across long horizons without losing identity, evidence, or control. LoopSkill knows how to orchestrate, how to repair, and, just as importantly, when to stop. The repository is public, with installation steps, examples, tests, and the complete build week history. LoopSkill, durable workflows for Codex.